Gina here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another what you should be buying in the month. So I took a month off in October because I just wasn't feeling it for the month of October, but I'm definitely feeling it for the month of November because I had just have the spirit of the holiday season coming to me. So I'm gonna do a little spin on it because you guys gave me some great feedback in my last video that I did, and you wanted me to focus on what you could coupon for in the month of November or the month of December. So you wanted me to give you guys a little bit more insight of what you could be couponing for. So that's what I'm going to do. And today's video is actually in partnership with Fetch Rewards. So thank you so much to Fetch Rewards for working with me again on this video. So Fetch Rewards is a rebate app. So you shop your favorite grocery stores and then you submit your receipts, and your receipts turn into points. And these points then convert into gift cards. So you can cash out as low as $3, which is 3,000 points. And when you sign up with the link below and enter the code Gina, you're gonna get a bonus 2,000 points, which is almost to your cash out points. And let me tell you a little secret when it comes to Fetch Rewards. Where the major points are is for referrals. So I want you guys to sign up with the link below, enter the code Gina, then you're gonna get your own referral link, which then you could share with your friends, your family, your neighbor, your kid's teacher, share it at soccer practice, and let all of your people know how they can be getting free gift cards for just shopping the grocery store. So it's as easy as that. And a lot of times Fetch Rewards will do like random like bonus weekends as well. So they have like a 4,000 point referral going on right now. So that's $4. So when you sign up, you're gonna get 4,000 points, which is already at your cash out points. So now let's go ahead and talk about what you should be buying and couponing for in the month of November. So I'm actually gonna take you guys inside of my local Target to share with you guys a few things in store, and then we'll come back and sit down and talk about a few more things as well. So let's go and get into Target. I'm a visual learner. I like to see what things look like. I like to see prices and all that stuff. So we're gonna go hop into Target. Okay, so I'm right outside of my local Target. So I thought that I would go ahead and take you guys in store and share with you guys some of the things you should be couponing for in the month of November. I thought it would be good to give you guys like a visual, show you guys what things are priced at, what things are on sale. I'm a visual learner, so hopefully me taking you inside of the store is going to give you guys just an extra level of education and help in terms of like piecing together the different deals that I'm talking about that you should be purchasing and the different things you should be couponing for in the month of November. Okay, you guys, so something you want to stock up on in the month of November, something to coupon for, is Cool Whip. So you're going to find this in the dessert section because it's November, so you're going to have a lot of pies, a lot of desserts. So this is going to be the time to coupon for items like Cool Whip. And Cool Whip is a bonus brand on Fetch Rewards because it is a craft brand. So if you're ever unsure of like who makes a certain product, all you need to do is look on the back and it's going to tell you. So it says Kraft and Heinz. So that's how you know that this is a brand through Kraft. So if you're ever not sure, just look on the back panel and it's going to tell you the maker of the food. So this, if you purchase it, you're going to get bonus points when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. So you're also going to see a lot of really good sales on cream cheese. So Philadelphia cream cheese is a bonus brand over on Fetch Rewards. So when you purchase your Philadelphia brand cream cheese, you're going to get bonus points when you submit your receipt. Also, something that you're going to be seeing really good deals on is butter. So remember, keep your eye peeled for like baking items. So butter, cream cheese, you're going to see so many sales on items just like this. Right, so like I mentioned, you're going to be seeing a lot of sales on different like baking items. So like sugar, stevia, stuff like that. And coupons.com released a $1.50 off one coupon. Now this is on the 9-ounce baker bags, but my Target doesn't have it, so I can't really show it to you guys. But if you go to a bigger Target with a bigger section, then you'll probably be able to find the actual ounce that you need. Okay, so something else that you should be looking out for is the Baker's semi-sweet chocolate. So Baker's is actually a Fetch Rewards brand. So when you purchase your Baker's brand items, and you could submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, to get bonus points. So just keep in mind, Baker's is a bonus brand. So when you opt for this semi-sweet chocolate for your brownies, then you're gonna get bonus points. Something else you guys want a coupon for in the month of November is soups and broths. So you're gonna see a ton of sales on stuff like this. So currently right now, Target has a $1.79 sale on the Yes To, and then when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, this is a Campbell's brand, so you're gonna get bonus points even submitting your receipt to Fetch Rewards because this is a Campbell's brand. You're also going to see different sales on like chicken stocks, chicken broths, because you need to think, you know, Thanksgiving, Christmas. So Swanson is a bonus brand for Fetch Rewards. So if you opt to buy Swanson, there's going to be insert coupons all in the month of November for items like Swanson and the French dried onions and stuff like that. So there are a lot of really good pairings with a lot of your needs for Thanksgiving and Christmas dishes. You guys, so something else you want to be couponing for is different spices. So the McCormick brand, just to give you guys an idea, the McCormick ground cinnamon, these guys are priced for $2.59, and there's a $1.50 off one printable coupon that's valid through the 3rd of December. So that's going to make this just $1.09. So really good deal on some McCormick seasonings. And during the month of November is a great time to get more expensive items like different extracts. So the almond extract, the lemon extract, peppermint extract, even the vanilla extract. So this is something that tends to be pretty expensive, so $9.49. So pairing with a coupon is a great time, and the month of November is when the manufacturers are then releasing these type of coupons. All right, you guys, so something else you're gonna want to coupon for and deal hunt for is different kitchen appliances, you guys. So we have some really nice different sale offerings. So Black Friday is typically the time when all of your kitchen appliances are gonna go on major discounts. So Chef Man air fryer, this guy is on sale for $49.99, as well as the Instapot. So the Instapot is on a $30 savings, so you can get your Instapot for $89.95. Okay, so something else you're going to want to coupon for and stock up for in the month of November is moisturizers. So if you guys didn't notice, we got high value CeraVe insert coupons. So you're going to see a lot of really good deals on body moisturizers because this is the time when the skin tends to be really dry with the winter months. I'm going to talk to you guys about a few other things that you should be looking for during your November sales as well as couponing. So you want to look out for sales and coupons on food storage containers. So when you think Thanksgiving, I think leftovers as well. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of coupons and sales on things like reusable food storage containers, also things like Pyrex, like glass dish containers. And Pyrex usually issues out a coupon. So it's been $1 off one coupon for like the past 5 years. So that's a really great time to stock up on some Pyrex items and check your local grocery stores, because my current grocery store, Albertsons, has a buy two, get one free on different like baking dishes, as well as different like cookie sheets and muffin tin liners. So look for sales and coupons on food containers, as well as what am I trying to say? As well as equipment for your baking. So like your baking sheets and cookie sheets and stuff like that. So definitely look out for your kitchen essentials on top of the kitchen appliances as well that we saw inside of Target. So we also looked inside Target on different like baking items. So like your cream cheese and your butter, you're gonna be seeing so many different sales on things like spices and chocolate chips. And this would be a really good time to look out for some coupons and sales on some higher price items like gelatin powder. Also, you wanna look out for things like almond flour, coconut flour. Also look out for things like erythritol sweeteners, stuff like that, different like extracts and agave syrups and stuff like that. So you can think outside of the box instead of like, you know, the Betty Crocker cake mixes and stuff like that. And even my local grocery store, Albertsons, they had a really good promo running on all-purpose flour as well as cane sugar. It came out to like 99 cents. So again, this is the time to stock up on baking items as well. You can freeze butter, you can freeze cream cheese. So if you want to load up on that stuff, buy a bunch of it and just freeze it. Of course, we're going to be seeing deals on turkeys, so definitely check your local grocery store and their circulars to see what promo they're running. When I was a kid, I would remember my mom would always buy a certain quantity and then she got a free turkey. Target for the past, oh God, like at least 6 years, ever since I've been, you know, couponing here on my channel, Target has done a spend 50, get $10 off, or a $10 Target gift card when you spend $50 or more in food and beverage. So definitely look out for that coupon. Usually it comes out the week before Thanksgiving. Something else we're gonna be getting a lot of coupons on and seeing a lot of deals on are like canned pumpkin, canned vegetables, canned soups like we already saw inside of Target. You're also gonna see deals on like canned like pie filling and all sorts of like canned goods. So like things that you're gonna see in your pantry. You're gonna see other things like pecans and almonds for different like desserts and whatnot. So we're going to be seeing a lot of sales on those, a lot of coupons on those. We've already been seeing a lot of coupons on like the Blue Diamond almonds. So a lot of really great like staple grocery items to really fill your pantry. So that is definitely going to be something you're going to be seeing a lot of insert coupons on, as well as different like sales running. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video in terms of what you should be buying and couponing for in the month of November. So again, a big thank you to Fetch Rewards for working with me on today's video. So I want you to go ahead and use that link below, sign up, enter my code Gina to get your bonus points and get you earning even more money when you're out there shopping. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye guys.